Be ready. 15 seconds. The cold perhaps is late and it is approaching very slowly, but political heat is rising rapidly. Just yesterday, the election results for four states were announced, and the results are very encouraging. These results are encouraging for those who are committed to the well being of the common man and who are dedicated to the bright future of the country, especially for all sections of societies, women from every village and city, youth from every village and city of all social groups, farmers from every community, and the poor people of my country. Those who follow the principles of empowering these four important castes and ensuring their bright future and last mile delivery of concrete plans received strong support. When there is good governance and consistent support for public welfare, the term anti incumbency becomes irrelevant. Some may call it pro incumbency, good governance, transparency, national interest, or solid plans for public welfare. But this has been the experience that we have been witnessing consistently. And today we are meeting in this new temple of the parliament after such an excellent public mandate. When this new parliament building was inaugurated, it was a brief session, but it was a historical moment. However, this time there will be an opportunity to work in this house for a longer duration. It is a new house, therefore, small details may still be lacking in arrangements. However, when it will function normally, then members of parliament, visitors, and media personnel will also notice those shortcomings and it will be taken care of. I have confidence that the Honorable Vice President and the Honorable Speaker are fully vigilant towards these things. I would also suggest to you that if some small things come to your attention, do point it out. When these things like new parliament building are made, there is also a need for changes according to the requirements. The country has rejected negativity. We consistently have discussions with opposition colleagues at the beginning of each session. Our main team discusses with them and appeals for everyone's cooperation. This time, too, all these processes have been followed as well. Through you, I also publicly appeal to all our MPs that this temple of democracy is a crucial platform to strengthen the foundation of a Viksit Bharat for the aspirations of the people. I am urging all respected MPs to come prepared fully, discuss thoroughly on any bills presented in the House, and provide the best suggestions. Because when a member of parliament gives a suggestion, it contains elements of practical experience. But if there is no discussion, the country misses out on those things, and that is why I am urging to all the members for serious discussions once again. Based on the current election results, I would like to tell my opposition colleagues that they have a golden opportunity. Instead of planning to vent frustration over defeat in assembly elections in this session, if they learn from this defeat, shun the idea of negativity that has been prevalent for the past 9 years and move forward with positivity in this session. The country's perspective towards them will change. A new door may open for them, and even if they are in the opposition, I am giving them good advice to come forward with positive thoughts. If we take 10 steps, then you should take 12 steps while making decisions. Everyone's future is bright. There is no need for despair. But please do not vent the frustration of defeat in the house. There might be disappointment. Your colleagues may have to do something to show their strength. But at least do not turn this temple of democracy into a platform for expressing frustration. And I say this again based on my long experience. Change your approach a bit. Leave the confrontational attitude aside just for the sake of opposition and contribute positively for the country's benefit. Debate the shortcomings. You see the hatred growing in the country today over certain issues might turn into love through such actions. So there is an opportunity. Do not let it slip away. I have been urging for your cooperation in the House. From a political perspective, I also want to say that it is in your interest to convey a message of positivity to the country. It is not good for democracy if your image becomes associated with hatred and negativity. The opposition is as crucial, valuable, and powerful in a democracy, and it should be equally capable. I make this statement once again for the well being of democracy. Now, the country does not want to wait long for its goal of development. In every section of society, there is a sentiment that we just need to move forward. I urge all respected MPs to lead the House while respecting this sentiment. This is my request to them. Wishing all of you the very best. Thank you very much.